is a discussion. Oh, and then not much discussion on that one, just says Plymouth Sound. And so you load it. So that's loaded that, and now that would be the radar target we see over here. And let's see. Let me just see what it says here. For the problems 11 to 15, load. After it loads, immediately slow your vessel to 0 knots. In other words, this is a quiz problem that wants you to practice measuring some distances, but it wants everybody to be at the same place on the chart when you measure the distances. So it says you load it and then just immediately stop the boat. So I'm going to load it again, and then you just say minus, 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 and so I'm going 0. See my speed now, 4.5, now 0. So I'm sitting here, and presumably that's where they want me to be, and there's the radar. Now that's a big range. Let me come down on the range a little bit. Okay, yeah. So see, now we got this kind of range. We're just out to the end of that breakwater. I mean, halfway across this breakwater. Now, the other thing, okay, so that's how you change them. And then there's different ones. You know, you can go in here, Sook Inlet. Does it have any discussion? Sook Inlet, this is in Canada, popular, okay, that's a popular cruising place. But anyway, we're at this one. Now, what we're going to want to do throughout the course is compare, we want to be looking at a chart of this same area. So you then go down to charts, this down here, and click charts. Now, what that does is it opens up the help file. That's just if you want to get there. Otherwise, you would just go to up here into help, and then help topics, and then charts in RT3, and then I think here regions used, and you're here. And this page that you're here, you get to just by pushing this button here. And so then this is the default, and these are the different ones that you can use. Training chart of the UK, Plymouth Sound, this one, okay. And so you click here, you don't see anything, but this is the link here. And now this will depend a little bit about how your Windows 10 or when the program is set up. You could click this, and it could actually open this up in Adobe Reader outside of this help file here. Or it might open it up right within this help file. It doesn't matter to us because you can print it from here just as well. And then you can also zoom it and look at it here like that. And so this is that chart, and then there's a scale. And then what we find in the course is what we're going to do is we can't